Beetroot dates halwa. Iron-rich halwa recipe made with beetroots, dates and no sugar. It is a simple and super delicious dessert for babies and growing kids. Do try for your little ones and family to believe it. Dates kheer, a quick, healthy, no sugar kheer made with dates, nuts, dry fruits and coconut milk. It can be served as a quick dessert for babies and toddlers. Dry dates powder, a natural sweetener for baby food made with dry dates. It can be a sweetener for your baby food or sweeten the desserts, cookies, or cake with it instead of sugar. Dry fruits laddu, smooth, quick, no sugar energy balls made with dates and other mixes of dry fruits and nuts. Dry fruit laddus are best suited as a healthy snack in between meals and it helps to stay kids energetic throughout the day. These laddus are naturally sweet and chewable. Hence, it is ideal for babies once they start chewing the food well. Date syrup. Date syrup is readily available in markets, but homemade ones are good and pure, which also gives us great self-satisfaction of making it at home. It can be a sweetener for baby or a toddler, porridge, kheer, purees, etc. Carrot dates porridge. Carrot porridge is a tasty porridge prepared with carrots, dates, and other dry fruits and nuts. This porridge has a natural sweet taste from carrots and dates, hence don't require any additional sugar. Wheat dates halwa. This wheat halwa is prepared with whole wheat flour, dates, and apple. It is wholesome and tasty that your baby will love it. Poha dates kheer. Poha kheer is quick kheer made with poha, also known as flattened rice, dates, nuts, other dry fruits, and coconut milk or cow's milk, or you can use formula as well. It can be served as a dessert or a quick evening snack for babies from 8 months. Dates and dry fruits milkshake, fresh and healthy milkshake with dates, dry fruits, and nuts. The taste and addictive milkshake is one of the best weight gaining recipes for kids as it has all the essential nutrients required. It is so filling and hence it can be given as a breakfast when your child fusses about food. Dates banana milkshake, creamy, healthy, energizing milkshake with dates and banana. Dates banana milkshake gives instant energy, very filling, and it tastes so good that your little one empties the milkshake in no time. Dry dates powder muffin, easy muffins recipe made with dry dates powder, whole wheat flour, and no eggs. These are whole wheat muffins with dry dates powder as a sugar substitute. Try and enjoy this healthy sugar-free muffin for yourself and the kids at home. Dry fruit rice, natural and healthy rice variety made with rice, dates, dry fruits and nuts. This dry fruit rice is a special rice recipe which can be served as a snack or a dessert or even at the meal for toddlers and kids. Eggless dates walnut cake, tasty and healthy cake recipe made with no sugar, whole wheat flour, dates, walnuts and no eggs. No one would believe that it has no sugar added in it. It has a lovely soft texture, delicious in taste. Dates almond milkshake is a fresh, creamy and refreshing milkshake for toddlers and kids. There is no need for any sweetener in the milkshake as the sweetness from the dates is sufficient. Dates paste is another pure sweetener that you can make with dates and comes handy when making baby food. So when can you introduce dates to your baby? So it can be given from 6 months after introducing rice. You can also soak it 1 or 2 dates and grind it in a form of puree. And you can follow the 3-day rule. Always serve the dates in moderation to your kids. This is the dates nutrition. You can find the calories, the fiber content, and also some of the health benefits of dates for your toddlers and babies. It's also very good for fighting constipation in children. And it strengthens the bone, improves heart rate in children, antioxidants. So do comment below if you want these recipes in my next video. Also like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.